Me again, okay. It's interesting because this is potato chip with the hot sauce or hot chili sauce, sriracha chili sauce, and I've never tried it before. It's in English accent is caramujo, strong, like that, okay? I eat a lot of spicy food. You know, Thai people, we love spicy, tasty, but it's not everyone that can eat spicy or the hot chili, okay? But sorry. Okay. When I smell it, I didn't expect it's gonna be like chili powder stick on my nose. That's why I'm kind of sneeze. I'm sorry if it's not nice to you. Okay. The first impression is, okay, it looks like this. I can even smell the chili, and it reminds me about the dry chili in Thailand, the chili pepper, the dry chili, but it's, yeah, I can tell it's spicy. Actually, sriracha chili is the name that we grow this kind of chili in Thailand. Anyway, yeah, when I get used to it and I know it's gonna smell like chili, I could tell it's good type or the good kind of chili powder. That's good. Okay. First, I get the taste of potato chip. The fried potato chip, and later my mouth will get the taste of the chili, and this is the saliva around in my mouth from here to here, and now I can feel it to my ear. Oh, I'm impressed. Second bite. Ooh. Where I can buy this one? Oh my god, I love it. 2 thumbs up for this, but this is all I can eat now because it's spicy and it's getting hot. If you want to try it, you can go, but I'm not sure where you can get, and I don't see anywhere in Thailand yet. I love it. For now, goodbye. It's hot, but I love it. Try. If you have a chance, try. Bye bye.